Well, a judge today has declined to dismiss the indictment against Pharaoh's nightclub owner Peter Gerace, who faces charges of drug trafficking, sex trafficking, bribery, and witness tampering. Channel 2's Dave McKinley reports tonight the latest push by Gerace's lawyers to get the case thrown out of court, largely, Dave, centered around one key witness against him, right?
And it's the credibility, Scott, of that key witness, who happens to be Gerace's ex-wife, that has caused concern to the point where his lawyers moved to dismiss, contending her mistruths have impacted their client's ability to even get a fair trial. Gerace and Katrina Nigro got together after she started working at the club on Arrow Drive, but theirs was a stormy union, something she herself testified to at the trial of co-defendant Joseph Bongiovanni, the former DEA agent accused of accepting bribes from Gerace and others. That's also where her credibility came under fire when her testimony turned out to be quite different than what she told the grand jury. And in his latest correspondence to us from the Chautauqua County Jail, where he's been held nearly a year and a half awaiting trial, Gerace listed a litany of other alleged lies by Nigro. Today it was revealed Nigro told investigators prominent attorney Joel Daniels, who was later hired by Gerace for his case, was among a group of men who played cards at the strip club. It was indicated in court today that Daniels denied this, but also that it compromised his ability to defend Gerace without potential conflict and forced him to withdraw. Gerace has gone through several attorneys in this now 5-year-old case, some of whom prosecutors sought to disqualify. His current team of lawyers have accused prosecutors of misconduct through actions like those and by bringing charges against witnesses like former Amherst Police Detective Greg Trotter, who were prepared to testify for Gerace. They say all of this has impaired Gerace's right to a fair trial by leaving him unable to prepare by having to switch lawyers all the time. Several judges have recently criticized the operation of the U.S. Attorney's Office in Western New York, and while the judge in this case, Lawrence Villardo, also expressed concern over the way they presented the case, he said it did not rise to misconduct nor need to dismiss the indictment, and if Nigro is the liar the defense says she is, they'll have their chance to demonstrate that when she takes the stand. Judge Villardo admonished both sides to stop attacking each other and prepare for this trial, some 5 years in the making and now scheduled to start on October 28th. And on that note, he advised lawyers, and we quote, "We are going, come hell or high water." On your side of the newsroom, Dave McKinley, Channel 2 News.
Dave, thank you.